What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be reviewing the Mi Powerbank 3i, which has launched like 22nd September on 2020, and today is 29th September 2020 when I'm shooting this video. So I have been using this power bank for almost a week now, and here are my full review of this Mi Powerbank 3i. So I have made some points over here which I'll try to explain. First thing that I would say, I did not own the Mi Powerbank 2i, but if you compare it with any other Xiaomi product, you can definitely compare it with the Redmi Powerbank 20,000 mAh, and I would say with that it definitely goes as far as I think, and just go with the one which build quality that you like. I would say if you like the build quality or the design on the Redmi Powerbank 20,000, definitely go for that one because that's definitely cheaper. That sells for around 1400 rupees. This Mi Powerbank 3i sells for around 1500 rupees, so 100 rupees more for this. I don't know why 100 rupees more for this, because that has the same functionality. I think that also has a micro USB port, USB type C port, and normal 2 USB A port. Over here for the Mi Powerbank 3i, both of the USB A as well as the USB type C port supports 18 watt fast charging, so that is not a problem. But you cannot do fast charging simultaneously. If you do it with one single port at a time, the fast charging will work for sure without a problem. And the power bank itself also charges with fast charging or 18 watt fast charging. And to take the full charge, I have discharged it almost 100%. But let me tell you, when I have discharged it, it did not go fully dead or something, that even if I tap the power button on the power bank, it does not show you any kind of indicator. It does show you indicator, but it does not charge any device. It just stops charging, but it does show that white light, single light it shows. Now let's talk about the efficiency of this Mi Powerbank 20,000. Definitely with any power bank that you go, if it says 10,000, it's gonna be outputting about 8,000. So for this, how much is the efficiency of the Mi Powerbank 3i? If you ask me, I would say I have kind of tested that, but yes, definitely not too much technical stuff, but a little bit. Let me talk a little bit more about it. I have charged my K20 Pro with the Mi Powerbank 3i for almost 4.5 times, and in between that period, for these 5 days, 4.5, I had to do half on another day. So that is why I would say for this whole period, I did not charge the power bank at all. So the power bank, once I charged, kept totally discharged for almost 5 days. So that is one thing that I thought I would mention. Now here, 3 out of those 4.5 times, I have charged the device from 20 to 100%. So that is 80% of 4000 mAh that I have charged. So if you calculate that, that's 3200 mAh, because the Redmi K20 Pro of course has a 4000 mAh battery. So 3200 mAh into 3, 9600 mAh. If you total the 3 days that I am talking about over here, or 3 times that I am talking about over here, so 9600 mAh, and one day I did 10 to 100%, so that's 90% of the 4000 mAh. So that is almost 3600 mAh of the total thing. So 9600 plus 3600, and for that half, let me talk about the charging. I have charged that time 20 to 65%. 4000 mAh into 45%, about 1800 milliamp hours. So here it totals about 15,000 mAh of raw output that I got from this power bank. So yeah, this is a 20,000 mAh power bank, got me about 15,000. That is the efficiency. Well, it's not great or something. Now of course I know that the mAh output of any power bank is lower, but for 20,000 mAh, I think it's gonna be about 17,000 of efficiency. If 10,000 mAh can give it 8,000 or 7,500 of output, maybe, I don't know. 15,000 is not bad, that I'm saying. For 20,000 mAh power bank, 15,000 mAh if it's outputting. I know there is a lot of loss in energy when in conversion, you are charging a battery, then discharging that battery to another battery. There is a lot of loss of power or energy in this kind of total segment. You have to keep in mind that on that 5 days kind of period, I did not charge the power bank at all, so it kept discharging while being idle or something. So you have to keep that thing in mind. Maybe if you charge simultaneously different devices, it will give you more output on the same day or something. And like if you charge this power bank with 18-watt fast charger, it will take about 7 hours to charge the full like power bank. So that is a huge mammoth of a battery almost. And yeah, it's like 7 hours is not peanuts here. I would say it does take a lot of time to charge, but definitely when it's charged, you can just take it and like go out anywhere in the desert or something for 5 days. But make sure you do it on 2.5 days because you have to come back. So I would say you can just take the power bank and go out anywhere. If your phone has 4000 mAh battery, you would be definitely good enough for almost 5 days. And after those 5 days, I hope you find a socket anywhere. Now let's talk about if there is any heating on the power bank. Well, while discharging and while charging as well with 18-watt fast charger, or like when I'm charging the power bank with 18-watt fast charger that I'm in, and when I'm charging the device, I would say the power bank did get a little bit warm over here. Let me actually show you up close on this one. So here, as you can see, there is the Mi logo right here, and I have seen there is some heating on this part. Like there are the like output ports over here. So on this part right here, it does get a little bit hot. If I touch it, I could feel the warmth of it, but yeah, definitely it's not overheating or something. Talking about the build quality of the power bank, I would say it does feel a lot solid than maybe it looks, I would say. And nothing moves around over here. I have shaken it a bit, nothing moves around or something. So the build quality is really good. And I would say if you are worried if this is metallic build or plastic build, well, this is plastic build. The 20,000 mAh one is a plastic built one. I did some like searches on Google, and I would say the Redmi power bank and this Mi power bank 3i also is a plastic build if you're looking at the 20,000 mAh version. If you're looking at the 10,000 mAh version, that definitely looks sleeker and a lot like sleek, I mean thin over here, and this is really thick boy over here if you're noticing. And I would say if you want to have something pocketable, definitely go for the 10,000 mAh one, and that would be like metallic build, so the build quality might be better on that, and definitely it would feel a lot more solid due to that's metal. And this is plastic, but it does not feel any kind of bad quality plastic or something. No creaking noise that I could hear. It definitely feels solid, like it does not feel plastic even. It is definitely built like a tank, so you won't need to worry about the build quality of the power bank in my opinion. And one thing that I like is they provided a USB type C to USB type A port. So I would say you can definitely charge with any type C devices. They do not provide micro USB ports anymore. So I mean micro USB ports are old, you definitely should have one already. And also I have charged my Mi Band 3 over here which I'm using, and that worked pretty fine. So no issues while charging the low power devices like the Mi Band or Bluetooth headsets that you have with those micro USB ports, or even if your Bluetooth headset has a USB type C port, it should work definitely fine with these like power bank. I would say you can definitely charge any low power devices too with this particular power bank. And I definitely should say that this power bank is heavy. It's almost 500 grams, and if in case it falls on your leg or something accidentally or in any of your body parts, that's gonna be a really bad day. These indicators that you are seeing, it does look bright when you are looking straight at it just from like this angle, but as soon as you move it to other angles like these, it becomes really hard to notice. Like if you are looking at from this angle right here, I don't even know that you can see it, if you can see it. So yeah, if you're charging this power bank, you have to look like straight towards it just from here. That's when you can see the indicators, but from the sides like on this angle, it's really hard to notice the like light over here. That's what I felt weird about. Like I was looking at it with like this kind of angle, I thought it's not charging, what the hell. Then I go close and look from this angle, then I see it's charging. So yeah, the indicators are not quite bright in my opinion, or they should have put the indicators a little bit forward or something. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I thought I would mention. So that does it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. That wraps up this Mi Power Bank 3i video review. And if you need a power bank, which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments below. And again, share this video with your friends if you feel like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and definitely hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.